Just adding my red quinoa to a cup of boiling water. I'm sorry, 2 cups boiling water. Now you want to cover, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay, quinoa is ready, so we're just gonna get like a cup full. I can get a little more here. There we go. About a cup full into our bowl. Okay, so we've got our quinoa. We're gonna bring it over here. We're gonna add our milk. And we're gonna pour about a 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, so we got about a 1/4 cup of milk. Then we're gonna add some agave. We're just a little agave for sweetener. I usually do about a teaspoon. All right, that's enough. And then I'm gonna add some blueberries. My favorite fruit to top this with is blueberries and raspberries. It tastes the best with this for some reason, to me. In my opinion, you guys can add whatever fruit you like, pretty much. So that is pretty much it. This is the loaded quinoa bowl. You can add apple slices as well. They're a little too hard and crunchy for me. So I just like the raspberries and blueberries. But yeah, you guys can add whatever fruit you like. I hope you try it out. It is really, really good. And yeah, enjoy.